That was a big one.
Can I see it?
Well, I'll show you when you get done. Here, why don't you go? You can keep going.
1, 2, 3, go!
Sure. Whoa.
Can I see now?
You want to try, Elise?
Yeah.
Whoa. It's a movie right now. You can go over there.
No.
Hey, Elise. Yeah, share.
Try and move it.
Jump. You guys are so funny. Whoa! We gotta wipe that nose, Liz. You got stuffed up nose.